Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 30th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 14 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who was awarded with the 2023 Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award?
Answer is Radhika Senior. United Nations has awarded the Indian Army Major Radhika Sen for the prestigious 2023 Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award on the occasion of the International Day of the UN Peacekeepers on 29th May 2024. Major Radhika Sen becomes the second Indian to be awarded the United Nations Military Gender Advocate of the Year Award. Major Suman Gavani was the first Indian to be honored in 2019.
Question number 2. Who became the first woman to climb Mount Everest 3 times in 13 days?
Answer is Purnima Shrestha. Purnima Shrestha, a 32-year-old mountaineer from Gorkha, Nepal, and a photojournalist become first woman to climb Mount Everest 3 times in the same season. She achieved the triple ascent in just 13 days. She has climbed Everest 4 times, with her first summit in 2018.
Question number 3. Who became first person to scale Mount Everest and Mount Lhotse twice in a single season?
Answer is Satyadeep Gupta. Indian mountaineer Satyadeep Gupta has etched his name in history by becoming the first person to scale Mount Everest and Mount Lhotse twice in a single season. Gupta successfully summited the 8,516-meter high Mount Lhotse on Monday, 27th May 2024, at noon, and then went on to conquer the 8,849-meter high Mount Everest at 12:45 a.m. He had previously summited Mount Everest on 21st May and Mount Lhotse on 22nd May.
Question number 4. India won how many medals in the Archery World Cup 2024, Stage 2?
Answer is 2 medals. India won 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 silver, in the Archery World Cup 2024 Stage 2, held from 21st to 26th May 2024 in Yecheon, Republic of Korea, South Korea. The Indian women's compound team of Aditi Gopichand Swami, Jyoti Surekha Venom and Parneet Kaur won the gold medal, defeating the Turkish team. India's mixed archery team, Jyoti Surekha Venom and Priyansh, won the silver medal. They were defeated by Olivia Dean and Sawyer Sullivan of the United States of America, USA, in the finals.
Question number 5. Where has GAIL India has set up its first green hydrogen plant?
Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Government of India owned GAIL India Limited's first green hydrogen plant has become operational at Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. The first green hydrogen plant of GAIL at Vijaypur uses a 10 MW proton exchange membrane (PEM) electrolyzer, which has been imported from Canada. The plant will use solar energy to split the water and produce green hydrogen. It will produce about 4.3 tons of green hydrogen daily.
Question number 6. In May 2024, in which country more than 670 people have died due to mudslides?
Answer is Papua New Guinea. According to the United Nations, more than 670 people have died in a remote village in the Pacific country of Papua New Guinea due to a massive landslide that has buried the whole village. Disaster struck the Yambali village in Inga province of Papua New Guinea at about 3 a.m. local time on 24th May 2024. Indian government on 28 May 2028, announced immediate humanitarian aid worth $1 million to Papua New Guinea to aid in relief.
Question number 7. Who has launched Pravah portal?
Answer is RBI. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, launched 3 major initiatives on 28 May 2024. Those 3 initiatives are the Pravah portal, a mobile app for retail investors to trade in government securities, and a fintech repository. These 3 initiatives were launched by the RBI Governor, Shaktikanta Das, in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The Pravah, full form, Platform for Regulatory Application, Validation and Authorization, is a centralized web-based portal that provides a secure platform for individuals or entities to seek authorization, license, or regulatory approval from the Reserve Bank.
Question number 8. Who is the chairman of DRDO, whose tenure has been extended by 1 year?
Answer is Samir V. Kamath. The Appointment Committee of the Union Cabinet, headed by the Prime Minister, has approved an extension of 1 year for the Secretary of the Department of Defense, Research and Development and Chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Dr. Samir Kamath was due to retire on 31st May 2024. His term has been extended till 31st May 2025.
Question number 9. 6 NATO countries will create a drone wall against which country?
Answer is Russia. 6 NATO countries, Finland, Norway, Poland, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, are planning to build a coordinated drone defense system because of increased security worries and tensions along their borders with Russia. The goal of this project, which is often called the drone wall, is to make the border safer from possible threats like military provocations and drug trafficking. This drone wall will be from Norway to Poland.
Question number 10. Which 2 organizations have partnered to develop India's first quantum diamond microchip imager?
Answer is TCS and IIT Bombay. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, has partnered with the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, IIT Bombay, to develop India's first quantum diamond microchip imager. The quantum diamond microchip imager aims to improve precision in examining semiconductor chips, reduce chip failures, and enhance the energy efficiency of electronic devices.
Question number 11. The recent cyclone Rimal has been named by which country?
Answer is Oman. Cyclone Rimal that has arisen in the Bay of Bengal is the first pre-monsoon tropical cyclone in the Bay of Bengal. The name Ramal means sand in Arabic. The name was chosen by Oman. The cyclone made landfall in Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal on 26 May 2024, around midnight, with wind speeds reaching up to 135 km per hour across the coast. Cyclone Rimal killed at least 37 people.
Question number 12. Which is the 4th largest export item from India in financial year 2024?
Answer is smartphones. Smartphones are now the 4th largest export item from India, with 42% growth to $15.6 billion in financial year 2024, up by 1 notch in the ranking from the preceding year. India started collecting data for smartphones separately from April 2022. While India's top export items are dominated by petroleum products, smartphones replaced motor gasoline to become the 4th largest exported commodity in financial year 2024.
Question number 13. Who has been named ICC Men's Player of the Month for April 2024?
Answer is Mohammad Wasim. The International Cricket Council, ICC, has revealed the winners of the ICC Player of the Month awards for April 2024. Mohammad Wasim, the UAE captain and opener, has been named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for his notable run-scoring feats as the UAE triumphed in the ACC Premier Cup. Hayley Matthews, the West Indies captain, has been named the ICC Women's Player of the Month.
Question number 14. India's first multimodal logistics park will be set up by.
Answer is Reliance. Reliance Industries is set to begin construction on India's first multimodal logistics park at Mappedu, near Chennai, in June, a project conceptualized 12 years ago. Despite initial setbacks, the project, valued at 1,424 crore rupees and spanning 184.27 acres in Tiruvallur district. Reliance Industries secured the bid for the multimodal logistics park in 2022, surpassing the Adani Group. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.